Sannyas liberates you from the wrong ideas of freedom. Freedom has two dimensions, freedom from and freedom for. Whatever society taught you as freedom is only freedom from. And you never learned for what you need freedom. What are you going to do with your freedom? Sannyas gives you both freedom from many of the patterns of bondages you are carrying, the ideas of freedom, pseudo ideas of freedom you are carrying. You will be liberated from the pseudo ideas of freedom you are carrying, and you will find the real inner freedom and outer freedom. I tell you, sleeping till morning 10 o'clock as you want is not freedom. Ability and the ambience to wake up every morning 4:30 and do yoga is the real freedom. Freedom is, it has to be understood from the angle of what for. What for? So understand, sannyas only gives you the real freedom. Freedom from the wrong ideas of freedom. Freedom from the so-called concepts of freedom. Freedom from the concepts of freedom and for right reason is real freedom. Freedom to travel in the ultimate journey is freedom. I tell you, in India, whether you are living in a slum, making 50 rupees per day, or 5 crore per day, living in a palace, both guys do not have a freedom for the ultimate journey. Both of them will not be able to dedicate 5 hours of their day every day towards the ultimate life. I tell you, my sannyasis are the real richest people. They can dedicate their life and time for the ultimate freedom. Freedom from and freedom for, when both are attended, that is real freedom.